Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. I know not a lot of people watch videos like this, but for that one person who actually watches my video and wants my actual furnished Airbnb cost breakdown, well, here it is. If you haven't watched my other video on how I started my Airbnb business, feel free to watch that. Link is down below. And before you say that the stuff I get is really cheap, I just want to give you a heads up first. I'm a frugal person, so I like to find deals at thrift shops, yard sale, and being Asian, I like to negotiate. And I also like to go to my favorite local resale warehouse. And I want to say that if you live in a big city, you'll find a warehouse that just resell retail return items like from Amazon, Target, or Best Buy. If you take the time to shop like that, you'll find deals. So in this video, when I say warehouse, I'm referring to the local resale warehouse at my city. So with that being said, let's check out what I actually have inside my Airbnb. So welcome to my crib. I got the security door feature right over here. So let me just close this door and I'll show you the breakdown of everything. So right here, I got this fiddle leaf plant or whatever tree that is, 45 bucks right over here. And if I go to the kitchen area, I got a fridge, $2.50 right over here, an extinguisher, first aid kit. All that is, I think first aid kit from Walmart, like $12, fire extinguisher, $17. If I pan in here, I got the coffee machine, $10, you know, it's used. So that is actually free. Got the little tea set, that is also free. Paper towels, I'll break down the supplies later. And then interesting fact about this is only $10, and that was from the warehouse that I bought it. And then trash can, Walmart, $4, and then that's $2. The setup right here, so I do give my guests snacks and drinks. You know, I'll break that down later in my supplies. But this setup right over here, so these right here, got them for $2 for the lemons, or the limes actually, from Dollar Tree. The bowl itself is $1. So this setup also has Dollar Tree too. So the rocks is $1, and then the glass is $1, flowers is also $1. But these plants right here, I got various plants. I got 10 of them, and they're running about like $4 each. So throughout the house, you'll see these plants with the white pot. So those are about $4 a pop on those. And then this right here, $2. You know, I got them from yard sales. You know, pretty good. Futon right here, that's given. So it's used. But the thing is, like, I do clean them. Here, I got the rug. Costco was on sale for $49, so $50 around there. So these chairs, these metal chairs, these are $15 a pop. So I got 3 of them, so 15, and then 15, and then I have another one in my room. Got that plant right there for $2 from the thrift store. And then this table right here, I don't really like this table. I overspent on this table. It's $170 from Amazon. I don't recommend it, but the reason why I got it is because I was on a time crunch and I really want to turn over this Airbnb, so that's why it's $175. And then plant right there, I got 2 of these, one over here, and then another one right over there. So that's $100 $100 a pop, so $200 in total. And then for that right there, that I actually painted myself, so it's not something that you buy. It's $15. I bought the canvas. It was on sale. The canvas was $12 each, and this was at Joanna's. And then I bought the paint stuff, which is relatively cheap. So another $2 worth of paint because I went on Walmart and I don't use much. It's just black. And then that right there, the clock itself is $6 thrift shop. And then painting itself is also $6 thrift shop. That one, thrift shop, $2, that setup. And then this right over here, this is from Ross, so $15 from Ross. This is also from Ross. It looks like an Hermes, you know, one of those blankets. So $12 from Ross. Got this used, $200, just $200 on OfferUp. So you could get decent couch, just a leather couch, which is relatively good. And then I got the coffee table right over here for $34 from the warehouse. So it's brand new. So And then this right over here, warehouse as well, $34. The console, the TV console, the TV stand if you want to call it. And then the Roku TV, it was the Costco's floor TV, so it was around, including tax and everything, $200 on that TV, 43-inch. So you need a smart TV on the Airbnb, I'm just saying. And then, I mean, let's go check outside. It's like there's nothing, it's just usual typical backyard, I guess, near fence. Other than that, I didn't spend much on the backyard, so let's go over here. So right over here, so Showtime, thrift shop again, $5 for that Showtime piece. It's pretty big, I should say. And then this right here, that is $5 from a yard sale, yes. And I spray painted black, so spray paint costs another $5 from Walmart. So I used the semi-gloss one. And then again, you see these plants here and there. And I do have a welcome message. I lay that flat down so then you can't see the message. But I do have it there for guests just in case they don't look at their house manual. So in the laundry room, setup right there, $1 right there from the laundry sign, $1 from Dollar Tree, and then $7 for this little thing for your ironing board. And then $9 Walmart, or $9 or $10, including tax from Walmart, just a little iron. And then machine. This one, this dryer right here is $250. Yeah, $250 for a dryer, $250 for a washer. So it's used, but the thing is like, hey, it's $250. What? $500 or so for washer and dryer, and they work perfectly fine. And then for this room right over here, I spent $10 for this stand right here. Thrift shop right here, these two leaves, $2 each, so the $4 in total. That is $10 from thrift shop again. And for this, the bed itself, so I got the frame. Frame was at the warehouse, at our local warehouse that do resales. They were $34 a piece, so I got 3 of them, so 34 times, and they're queen size. So it's roughly about $100 or so. I'll give you a breakdown, the total. You can see the total. And then towels, I'll do that on supplies, under supplies. Duvets, I got 6 of these, $15 each for duvets. And then these sheets right here, if you notice, these are Costco sheets. They were on sale, so $12, and I got 6 of those. And those are random sheets. And then for that picture right there, it's another, what was it, $6, yes, thrift shop. Thrift shop is the best. $6 for art. And then let's go to, oh, and this right here over here, you'll see another more plants right over here. And then for the bathroom right over here, I didn't spend much on the bathroom. Again, I just use this, basic stuff. So for these soap bars, I got a count of 200. So there were a couple of dollars. I think it was like, I forgot. I had to check. There were a couple of dollars on those for a big pack. And then for this setup, Marshall jars, and then the little cotton pads for makeups. Those are in total around $4 or so, just that alone. And then, your towels from Costco, I'll run the breakdown. It was like $16 for a 24 pack. So I'll run that breakdown again. Soap, hand soap dispenser thing, $1 from Dollar Tree. And then these two paintings, total, for these two, it was $3 each, so $6 in total from the thrift shop as well. And then this, the toilet stand thing right over here, was $18, yes, $18. And then this is from the warehouse, that another thing that I bought from Dollar Tree, so that was also, total price is $3. And then, and don't forget this. This is a dispenser that you must have if you're just starting and you don't want to buy a lot of conditioners and soap and shower gel or shampoo in general. $27 from Amazon. So, and it has a lock too. So get one of those. I'll put a link in the description if you want to try that out. And that's pretty much it. Shower curtain, it came with the house, so I didn't spend much on that shower curtain. And then the mat itself, $7 for the mat from Ross. And then the trash bin, it's free. I got a trash bin for free. So that's that on the bathroom. And then I got another room over here. Rug itself, $15 for the rug. And then this This shoe box, the 6 cube box, is, I believe it was $15 for this this 6 cube box, and I got it from the warehouse. So if you take a closer look at this, I have multiple plants right over here, and then I have $1 from Dollar Trees. So these are $1 each. So get them at Dollar Trees if you can for these little box, because if you get them at Walmart, they're like $5 a piece, I believe. And then again, my little you know, decor, $1, Dollar Tree again. This whole setup right here, this is actually just free. I put together this, pictures, you know, taken, and then, you know, the little corkboard, I had it back home. So I guess it's free. I mean, you can spend it. And then I got your typical, you know, frame right over here, warehouse, and then Costco sheets, duvet. And then this was $30 from Ross. You'll see this if you go to Ross. And then, you know, typical closet. And then let's back it up here. The master bedroom. So master bedroom, I didn't spend much on it. Again, you know, rug, $15 for the rug, and then $15 for the chair. That $25 for the desk. And I had to repaint that. And I spray painted with the can, the $5 can. That one can could do this and the little breakfast stand outside, but I use it for like a welcoming message. So that's $1 from Dollar Tree, and it says Monday should be optional. And then again, this painting right here, $15 in total. I did it myself. I bought the canvas, blank canvas. This right here, $10 for the little, you know, stand, and I got that from the yard sale. And then $5 from the thrift shop again for that plant. And the basic setup again. And then this one right here was $6, which is really good because it's pretty big and heavy. I like that, from the thrift shop. So that's from the thrift shop. And if I pan over here, this right over here, same setup, you know, soap bar, got the jar for the makeup pad, $1 for this, and then, you know, towels, and then trash bin, $1 for the trash bin, Dollar Tree, and then $18 again for this toilet stand if you want. And then I got the shower, which also has the dispenser in there as well. So let's go outside and I'll take you to the storage. And the storage in total would be, you know, this right over here. I got a lot. So this, you know, obviously, you know, Costco brand, and then that's my soap bars I got. So it's 400 piece actually. This is 400 piece for that right over here. And then I got a lot of towels. So Costco towel right here. I spent about $200 worth of towels. So I have a lot here. And then I have a bunch of sheets, and these are all clean. Pillows. Oh yes, pillows. I bought these $5 a piece from Walmart. Actually, these are $5 a piece. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8 pillows. And then I bought additional 5 more pillows. So 8 times 5, I'll just put a number here. I can't do my math right now. So total of pillows, I spent money on pillows. And then $14 or $15 from Costco, the paper towels. And then all this right here, another, you know, like shampoo for your dispenser. I got the soap behind there. I got cleaning supplies right there. I should say roughly about like, give or take $30 in terms of supplies up here. And then I'll have another storage I want to take you. So these locks itself, yes. These was, I think it was $5 a pop. And they were like, they were new, but it was on yard sale, $5 a pop. I had to buy those. And then I got another one right over here, $5 a pop right there. And by the way, that lock is $200. I want to say it's $200 for the lock. And make sure to get a lock if you're gonna do Airbnb. So $30 warehouse stuff, $50 for this Costco rug. I just have it just in case it was on sale, so I had it. So it's like a 9x7, I think. It's a pretty big rug. And then I have my supplies up here. It's just so guests could have snacks and food and stuff like that. But this is locked. I normally just put it out there. Right over here, you see the supplies and food right over here. And Detergent, $15 detergent. Normally these are not fixed. These are, well, I should say they're fixed every month. I restock them, so I have enough. So I buy snacks on sale, Costco. If you have a Costco card, $5 a piece, like a box of those, and a box is 60. So you have 60 counts of those, so $10 worth of, supplies. A little food here. Capri Suns. I use Capri Suns because they're like $1.66 at Walmart. And then I got fruit snacks back over here. I don't know if you see my, well, yeah. So in terms of this setup, your monthly, you're gonna spend a couple dollars every month just to buy inventory. So that's pretty much it. This is my Airbnb. I don't know what you think about it. Oh yeah, I didn't mention this. Actually, this is $30. Costco was on sale. And then this was $20, I think, if I didn't mention it. So that's pretty much it. And here's my Airbnb. Oh yes, I forgot to mention the cost of the 3 queen-size mattresses. One is free and the other 2 cost a total of $160 since I got it at my local warehouse. Now, this brings us to a total of $3,284. Now, I included a bunch of supplies in this video, which is for future use, but if I were to take some of those excess supplies out of the cost of furnishing the entire Airbnb, then it is indeed about $3,200, which I don't think is bad at all, and that alone can slowly help you generate a couple $100s a month. And if you're thinking about starting, I don't think you should hesitate about it. If you live in a decent area and the area you live in allows Airbnb rentals, then you should do it, but always do your research first. And I explain how you can do it in my video on how I started my Airbnb business. So with that being said, I hope you liked this video. If so, feel free to give it a like and maybe consider subscribing for more weekly uploads like these, and I'll catch y'all later.